Hello everyone, welcome back to Swapna's Maths book. Hope you all are fine and safe. We can continue our lesson, linear equations in one variable. Today's topic is reducing equation to simpler form. For example, x minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. How we can solve this? First, you have to cross multiply this. Cross multiplication, how we can do? This way we can cross multiply. That is 5 into x minus 5 is equal to that 3 into x minus 3. Then bracket open. 5 into x is 5x and 5 into minus 5 is 25 is equal to 3 into x, 3x, minus 3 into 3 is 9. After this, as you all know, how we can solve this? We can use transpose method. 5x minus 3x, variable term in one side, constant in the other side. So, 3x move to LHS, that is minus 3x, is equal to, in RHS, minus 9 constant is there. So, we have to transpose minus 25 to RHS. That is minus 25 becomes plus 25. So, 5x minus 3x is 5 minus 3, 2. 2x is equal to minus 9 plus 25. Negative and positive. So, first you have to subtract and put biggest number sign. So, 25 minus 9 is 16. Biggest number is 25. Sign is positive. So, plus 16. Then, how x we should find? X is equal to, again here 2 is multiplying. So, by transposing to RHS, we have to divide. 16 by 2 is equal to 8. So, the answer is x is equal to 8. Now, checking also you can do. Whether LHS is equal to RHS, you can find. You have to put the value of x in LHS. That is LHS. X minus 5 by 3 is equal to 8 minus 5 by 3. That is 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Now RHS. Again 8 minus 3 by 5. That is 5 by 5 is equal to 1. That is LHS is equal to RHS. So our answer is correct. LHS is equal to RHS. 1 is equal to 1 only. Hope you all understood. We can do few questions in the textbook. Next question. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. How we can solve? Let me explain. X by 2 minus 1 by 5. We have to simplify this. How? Denominator 2, 5. First you have to take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. That is 2, 5. Obviously 10 only. 5, 5, 1, 1. LCM is 10. 2 into 5, 10. So 10 upon, as you learned already, 10 divided by 2. I discussed in the previous classes also. 10 divided by 2. First you have to do 10 denominator, divide denominator. 10 divided by 2 is 5 into numerator. Here numerator x only, x. Minus. Again, second one denominator is 5. First, LCM divided by second term denominator. 10 divided by 5, 2. Into numerator is 1 is equal to, again here also x by 3 plus 1 by 4. 3 and 4 LCM is 12 only. 3, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1. As you all know how to take LCM. So 3 4s are 3, 4. LCM is 12 only. Upon 12 upon again 12 divided by 3. That is 4. 4 3s are 12. Into numerator is x. X plus 12 divided by 4. 3 into 1. Then again 5x minus 2 divided by 10 is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 12. Now we can cross multiply. This way we can cross multiply. That is 12 into 5x minus 2 is equal to 10 into 4x plus 3. Cross multiplication. 12 into 5x minus 2 and 10 into 4x plus 3. Bracket open. 12 into 5 is equal to 60x minus 24 is equal to 10 into 4x 40x plus 10 into 3 is 30. Now we can do easily using transpose method. That is 60x minus 40x, variables in one side, variable term in LHS, 40x is equal to, then RHS 30 already there, then we have to transpose minus 24 to RHS, that is minus 24 becomes plus 24. Then 60x minus 40x is 20x is equal to 30 plus 24 is 54. Then again x only we want, x is equal to, here 20 is multiplying. So while transposing to RHS we should divide 54 by 20. Again we can simplify. 54 by 2 is 27 and 20 by 2 is 10. So 27 by 10 is the answer. Okay, x is equal to 27 by 10. Then you can check the answer that the answer is correct or not. Whether LHS is equal to RHS. You can put the value of x in LHS and RHS. Okay, hope you all understood. Second question. 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. First you have to open the bracket. 3 into t, 3t minus 3 into 3, 9 is equal to 5 into 2t. That is 5 into 2, 10. 10 into t, 10 t plus 5 into 1, 5. Now we can easily simplify this. Transpose method. 3t, variable 3t, then 10t, that is transposing to LHS, minus 10t is equal to, then RHS side 5 only, 5, then we have to transpose minus 9 to RHS, that is plus 9. Then 3t minus 10t, that is minus 7t is equal to, is 10 minus 3 is 7, bigger number is 10 only, so negative 7t is equal to 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. So what is the value of t? Again we can transpose 7 to RHS. 14 by minus 7 is equal to minus 2. Then you can put the value of t in this equation to check LHS is equal, whether LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to 3 into t minus 3. That is 3 into t is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 2 minus 3. If both symbols are same, how we can do? You have to add negative symbol. Minus 2 plus 3 is 5 and negative symbol is negative only. So minus 15. Now RHS. 5 into 2t plus 1. That is 5 into 2 into minus 2 plus 1. That is 5 into minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. It is minus 15. 5 into minus 3 is equal to minus 15. That is LHS is equal to RHS. So our answer is correct only. T is equal to minus 2. Okay, hope you all understood. Next question. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. So we can take LCM first. That is 2, 4, 6. 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6. Again 2. 1, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. 1, 1, 1. So LCM is 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12. LCM is equal to 12. So 12 upon, first you have to divide the denominators. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 into numerator n minus, again 12 divided by 4 is 3 into numerator 3n plus, again third term, 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2 into numerator is 5n is equal to 21. Again, that is 6n minus 3 into 3, 9n plus 2 into 5, 10n divided by 12 is equal to 21. Then 6n minus 9n is minus 3n plus 10n divided by 12 is equal to 21. Again, minus 3n plus 10n is 7n. 10 minus 3 is 7. Biggest number is 10. So, plus 7n divided by 12 is equal to 21. Now n only we want. So, 7 by 12 we have to divide. By transposing we have to divide. How we can divide this? Into taking reciprocal, take reciprocal and then multiply. So 7 3s are 21. So n is equal to 3 into 12, that is 36. 36 is the value of n. You can put the value of n in LHS and check LHS is equal to, whether LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you all understood. Okay, thank you children.